Hi, I'm Sankalp Zikhad. I'm a Senior Strategic Marketing Engineer at Analog Devices, and today I'm going to talk to you about asset health monitoring solutions from Analog Devices. Did you know that downtime accounts for 25% of the total manufacturing costs? Hence, it is critical that the asset's health be monitored continuously. Continuous monitoring of asset health allows you to improve asset lifetime, reduce unplanned downtime, and improve sustainability. Industrial assets are deployed over a very large area. Hence, a wired connection to monitor all the industrial assets is not feasible at all times. The alternate is to go for a battery-powered solution, but even batteries need to be replaced after a certain amount of time. Today, Analog Devices is demonstrating its MEMS sensor and smart mesh radio capabilities in Voyager 3. We are also demonstrating our carbon nanotube sensor, which is capable of measuring and detecting cracks at the surfaces. And we are demonstrating our MicroTech technology, which is capable of harvesting energy with a temperature differential of less than 1 degree Celsius. Let's talk about Voyager 3. Voyager 3 is a development platform intended for wireless vibration monitoring. It features ADXL356, which is a triaxial vibration sensor, and the smart mesh radio. The smart mesh technology is self-configuring and self-healing, so you don't need to configure the mesh network, and should one of the modes go down, the mesh will reconfigure automatically. It offers 99.999% data reliability. As you can see here, that the Voyager 3 is mounted on the test rig, which is generating vibrations. Voyager 3 is then transmitting the triaxial vibration data wirelessly to the wireless gateway over there, and we can see the raw data from the XYZ axis and the Fourier transforms from the XYZ axis being displayed on the laptop screen. Now let's talk more about the carbon nanotube sensor technology from Analog Devices. Over here we can see the carbon nanotube sensor. This carbon nanotube sensor is capable of detecting cracks at a resolution of 0.02 millimeters at an accuracy of 90%. The sensor needs no active power to be able to detect cracks. As the cracks develop over time, the carbon nanotubes break, and that change is recorded permanently by the means of change in resistance of the carbon nanotube sensor. Over here, you can see the carbon nanotube sensor mounted on this metal plate. On the metal plate, we have a stress riser which allows the crack to develop and propagate more easily. This metal plate is mounted here on this test rig, which repeatedly stresses the metal plate, effectively allowing the crack to elongate and develop more over time. On the left side of the screen, we can see that the estimated crack length is 5.59 millimeters long. This is visually correlated by the feed from the camera, which estimates the crack length to be around 5.59 millimeters long. I'll now explain a little bit more about our MicroTech technology. Analog Devices is the only company in the world which has implemented the tech technology in the silicon itself. What this allows us to do is, it allows us to harvest power in a highly efficient manner. Our device can harvest power with a temperature differential of less than 1 degree Celsius. At a temperature differential of 4 degrees Celsius, which would be typical for an industrial application, we can harvest 20 microwatts of power. Over here, you can see the wireless vibration monitoring sensor node. Now, this sensor node has no batteries in it and is powered solely by harvesting the energy difference from the hot plate and the ambient air. We are doing Fourier transforms on the microcontroller here in the sensor node itself, and then we are transmitting the data onto the tablet wirelessly. Analog Devices' asset health monitoring technology and energy harvesting technology allows our customers to bring intelligence to the edge, allowing them to deploy remote sensors without worrying about batteries or wires. This allows our customers to increase their asset lifetime, reduce unplanned downtime, and improve sustainability. Analog Devices solutions reduce manufacturing costs by eliminating any unplanned downtime and improve sustainability by increasing the asset lifetime. To find out more about this new and exciting technology, please visit analog.com/CBA.